Hi friends, we are going to read a new story today. This is Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson and illustrated by Jan Chapman. So to say bear goes on and sign, we say bear snores on. So bear, like you're giving yourself a bear hug. Bear snores, like you're taking a nap. And then with these and on, sitting on. Bear snores on. Alright, so let's read Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson. It looks like a very snowy day. When it's a snowy day, what do you like to do? I like to cuddle under the covers because I do not like the cold at all. And that looks like what our dear friend Bear might be doing as well. In a cave in the woods in his deep, dark lair, which means like a bed, a bedroom, through the long, cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight. He sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. Do you know what that's called when an animal sleeps all through the winter? It starts with an H and it's a very big word. You have to break it up. Hibernation. Hibernation. Now do it really fast. Hibernation. One more time. Hibernation. He is hibernating. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty bitty mouse, pitter patter tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dark, too dank. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare pops in. A hare is like a big rabbit. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Popcorn and hot tea. Sounds really good right now, especially on a cold winter night. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But Bear snores on. A badger. We're seeing a lot of winter books with badgers, aren't we? Scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." That's very nice that Badger's going to share his honey nuts. And Mouse and Hare are going to share their black tea and popcorn. What about Bear? And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole. This is the gopher. And the little black one with the tan paws is the mole. tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. The raven is black. The wren is this little tan bird up here. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters Wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. It's nice to have friends cuddled around the fire, getting nice and toasty. But what about Bear? They tweet and titter, and they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his own lair. Hare stokes the fire, which means he's getting it nice and hot. Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper flake makes the bear. What happens when the pepper goes near you? He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. What would you do if you woke a great big bear? And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls and he rumples. Bear jumps and he stomps and bear growls and he grumbles. Bear is not happy to have been woken up from his long winter's nap. What do you think Bear will do to the other furry friends? You've snuck in my lair and you've had all fun, but me? I was sleeping and I have had none. And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans, and the bear burblers on. Oh, Bear's feelings are hurt. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see? We can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Mouse is trying to be a good friend. Bear gulps, Bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. The end. Thank you for reading Bear Snores On with Me by Carmel Wilson. Have a great day, friends.